took a flight for the paddock. You said, babe, you're so dramatic, I guess. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel so. I took a chance and you grabbed it. You said, don't worry. Anything that you want, I know it's gonna be good.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Kelsey Ray and thank you so much for clicking this video. If you don't, let's go ahead on and subscribe and like this video because I know you're gonna like something, and if it's not me, it's gonna be this wig because this wig is so beginner friendly and beautiful and effortless as a whole that you're gonna like this video. So jumping right in, I got this wig from Ohmyprettyhair. Shout out to them, love y'all so much. They sent me over this beautiful wig and here's all the things that came in my box. So of course I got the wig. It came in a nice little baggy bag that I will be reusing. It came with a thank you card as well as a cute pink bonnet, and I was like, girl, let me go ahead on and try her on because you can't never go wrong with enough bonnets, you know what I mean? Like, you need extra bonnets, period. So Kelsey approved, and it came with a elastic band as well as a edge brush and as well as the stocking cap. Honestly, you don't need none of this stuff in this box. You just need the wig, girl, literally. So my wig is a water wave 24-inch Brazilian hair 180 density wig. It is a closure, it's not a frontal, but you can part it in various different ways. If you wanted to do a middle part, side part, whatever part, you could do it. So straight off the back, the water waves is water waving, and this texture reminds me so much of vacation, and I'm just so excited. But the lace, y'all, the lace on this wig it literally comes pre-plucked and pre-cut. That's the most game-changingest thing I ever did see, especially for like older people or just people in general who don't know how to put on a wig. Like, older people don't got time, they just want to put the wig on and go. So this wig is for use, girl. This wig is for you. So my wig came beautiful. From the touch, the wig already was super soft, and honestly I can't wait to keep wearing this wig throughout the duration of this time to see if it mats up in the back and things like that. Like, I want to give y'all the full details, so don't forget to check the comments down below and I'll update y'all on how I feel about the wig throughout the duration of me wearing it. But girl, off the back, I love it. The edges is beautiful, and it came with an elastic band, and y'all know if y'all trying to go on a water slide, y'all might have to want to glue this wig down or add some combs to the wig so that it could be stuck securely. But overall, the elastic band is super fitting, and it fits your head perfectly. It's not too tight, but it's also not too loose at all. Yes, period. So this is the wig, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on without doing anything to the wig, like not touching it at all. And this is the lace. So the lace is pre-cut, and it has like these dips in it, and that lays perfectly on my head, and I just love it so much. Oh, I'm taking off this bonnet now, and I'm about to show y'all what it's looking like. I got my dookie braids in the stocking cap, and I have my stocking cap on. Now, you do not need to put the stocking cap on. I just use the stocking cap to hold my little dookie braids at the back because I don't want them to be flying around while I got this wig on. So I am putting on the wig, and I'm just literally going to show y'all what it looks like without me doing anything to it. I do want to add some foundation or powder to the lace, but right now there is nothing on the lace. This is just straight out the packaging, and this is how you could tell this wig is sturdy and secure, because girl, I'm struggling trying to put this wig on. Like, can you put the wig on already? Like, dang. And I'm like looking to the side in the mirror just to see, like, girl, is it on? Is it on? So yes, y'all, look at this wig. Look at the lace. Look at it. Wow, I am wowed.
Do y'all see that?
That is beautiful. Straight out the packaging. You don't need to do nothing. If you want to do anything to this wig at this moment, you could literally spray some water on it. That's what you want to do, put some water on it. But I'm going to take my wig off, and I'm going to apply some foundation. Well, this is just powder, and I like to use a shade like my bronzer shade. I don't like to use my foundation shade because the lace lays more to my forehead, and my forehead normally has bronzer on it. So that is the way I like to use mine. Some people use their foundation shade, but I don't really care to do that. So when I put this wig on with the foundation on it, girl, melting. Do you see what lace? Fight me. What lace? Beautiful. This video might be done. Girl, so the wig is already wigging. I'm going to part my wig down just to kind of give it a more defined part, so you can see the part better. And then I'm going to take my hot comb. Now, you do not have to use this hot comb. I'm using a hot comb because I wanted to show you guys this wig in a big puffy combed out state. And I wanted my part to be flat and more defined. So literally, if you want to just wet this hair and go, you do not need to hot comb it. You don't even need a hot comb. I'm just hot combing it so it can be flat to my head. When you wet it, it will be flat to your head. But right now, I'm going to show y'all the hair combed out. And when I say combing out this hair was such a dream, it was super, super soft. It literally felt like a pillow. If it was up to me, y'all, I would keep the hair just like this. And I would just wear it brushed out every time. Oh, he's getting bigger. This hair is soft. Look at the difference, y'all. Brushed and not brushed. I love it not brushed, but I just want to show y'all the versatility of this unit. Look how easy, just easy. It's just, you could run your fingers through this hair. Look, I'm gonna do this side so you can see. Wow. I feel like Shaka Khan. Y'all, this wig speaks for herself. She is absolutely beautiful. This is the look right here. And with this wig, I got little to no shedding, and I love that about this wig. But I want to make sure throughout the time of me wearing it, I just want to make sure that it doesn't nap up in the nape of the neck and like get all clumped together. So I will let y'all know in the comments as an update. But this is the hair in its full capacity. The length, the volume, everything. And when I say beautiful this way, I will wear this wig just like this, period. But for now, I'm going to show y'all the other way you can wear this wig. And you can wear this wig wet at like the wet look. It doesn't have to be wet, but it definitely could give the wet look. So I like to section the hair off and take, nice size sections. Only use water. You can use conditioner and all of your natural hair products that you want, especially if you want it to last. But just to do a quick little sprucer upper, you could just literally use water and it will be defined. I like to use my dimming brush to actually curl the hair and clump the hair together. So that is my technique, and you want the hair to clump up so that it can dry clumped up and so that you can have defined curls. And then after I'm finished soaking the hair and detangling it, I like to go in with some mousse. You can use any type of mousse just to kind of seal the deal. Like I said, this is curly hair, so kind of treat it as such. This is not your regular straight hair, so treat it like natural hair. And that's what I love to do with wigs like this, and this is the difference. So comment down below, would y'all wear this wig curly or poofy or big? Which one? Let me know down in the comments below. But I love both looks, y'all. This wig is so effortlessly, it's effortlessly beautiful. Like,
y'all know I love me some Puerto Rican. I felt Puerto Rican in this. Rican. Ooh.
I felt like a beautiful Barbie doll, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. I will have everything about this wig down in the description box below. Shout out to Ohmyprettyhair for sending me this wig. Y'all did the doggone thing, and I can't wait to continue to rock this. Y'all will be seeing this wig again, period. So thank y'all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.